Welcome to Dawiso Academy. Getting started with data governance can feel overwhelming. With so much scattered data and so little documentation, it's hard to know where to begin. What should you document first? Who is responsible for it? And how do you make sense of it all? That's why Dawiso includes built-in data ingestion tools. Instead of starting with a blank page, you can simply scan your existing systems. Dawiso will automatically map out your data structure and give you a clear foundation to build on. From there, you can link data to business terms, assign ownership, and start building a meaningful knowledge base. Let's take a look at how it works. When metadata stays locked away in source systems, it's difficult to keep track of what data you actually have, how it's structured, or where it's being used. Manual documentation can help, but it's time-consuming and hard to keep up to date, especially as things change. Dawiso lets you scan your systems to automatically identify and document your data assets, link database columns to your business glossary, and generate lineage diagrams that show how data flows. It works with popular platforms like Snowflake, SQL Server, and BigQuery, and the setup only takes a few minutes. Let's take a look at how this works by connecting a SQL Server to Dawiso. In Settings under Data Ingestion, you'll find Connections. Click New Connection and select your platform, in our case, the SQL Server. Name the connection and enter your credentials. If the connection was successful, you can save it. Dawiso supports both shared and private connections. Shared connections are managed directly in Dawiso, while private connections are used when direct access or sharing credentials isn't possible, like for on-premises systems or secured cloud environments. Once connected, you are ready to scan. Switch to the Data Sources tab and click New Data Source. Select the newly created connection. You can now enter the database names you want to scan. Finally, choose your destination space and pick your workflow type. The data source has been set up. What's left is starting the ingestion by clicking the Start button. Once scanning begins, Dawiso will automatically load and document the structure of your database, including tables, views, columns, and relations. On the ingestion page, you can monitor the progress of your ingestion. Click an ingestion ID to check the details and confirm everything was successfully processed. Once your data is scanned, you can start documenting it. This step can go even faster when combined with the data model application, which we cover in a separate video. But now, let's walk through how to link your scanned data to the business glossary. Start by selecting a column from your database. Scroll down to the Business Relations section, then click the plus button. From there, choose the glossary term, like total sales or customer type, that matches the meaning of the column. This simple link helps bridge the gap between technical data and business understanding. Our metadata app library is growing fast, and if your platform isn't supported yet, we can often develop a scanner within days. We work closely with customers to build what they need when they need it. Once your metadata is scanned, everything becomes easier. Documentation, glossary links, lineage, and governance workflows all come to life. Ready to try it? Scan your first data source to quickly go from scattered to structured. Thank you for joining us. We hope this video has deepened your understanding of data governance and demonstrated how Dawiso can effectively support you in your data journey.